Right. He's going to fly down here. I've told him to use his brakes and he should push it really, but he don't want to.
Oh, Mum, why not there? Get back on the phone. Come on, Jimmy. Need to go, Jimmy.
How the fuck do I flick this round, man?
Jimmy.
Hang on, mate. Fuck it. Right, Caden, lad. You keep your hands on the brakes at all times. Right? Let's go. Brakes, both brakes. Pull both brakes.
I put my brakes.
Watch them nettles. He's fucking keen, I'll tell you. He's brave. He's a brave little boy. Oh. Good lad, Caden. Smashed it, man. Game as a badge, yeah. You. Brakes. Come on. Both. Hands on both brakes. Right, I'm out of here. Can't get over Luke, man. Fucking tosser. He's going in to do it all himself, love. Fuck it, I can't do nothing. Right, I'm out of here.